Hello everyone, today we want to make easy whipped cream together and then decorate our sponge cake with it. This method of preparing cream is guaranteed for excellent taste. It just takes a little patience and great for people like me who lack facilities. I'm glad that you be with me. If you enjoy content of my channel, click the subscribe button to become a member of my channel and ring that little bell so you know whenever I post a new video. Ingredients: 400 milliliters cream. In order for the cream to be in good shape, it should have fat between 30 and 36%. Each of these cream packs is usually 200 to 210 milliliters, for each of which we need a glass of sugar or powdered sugar. 2 containers that I filled with ice in one of them. It is important that your container is very large and spacious, because the cream is going to increase its volume at least 5 times. I empty the cream in a bowl and add powdered sugar to it. When you open the cream bag, be sure to pour the water in the bag away, because we don't need this extra water. I put the ingredients in the ice bucket and start mixing the ingredients with an electric mixer. First, I mix the ingredients with a slow turn and then with a fast turn I start to form the cream. I recommend using a metal container if you are in a hurry. I suggest if it is summer or your oven is on and your kitchen is hot, go and sit in the room in front of the air conditioner. As you can see at the beginning of the work, the cream melts completely, but be patient and keep stirring. It's almost done. As you can see, the effect of the glaze is completely in the cream, and with the quality you see, you can easily cream your cakes. Now I bring sponge cake. In a video I post on my channel how to make a sponge cake with a soft and delicate texture. If you like, you can click on the link above and see it. I smooth around the cake with a saw blade. To do this, I place a saw knife perpendicular to the cake so that the cylindrical walls are neat and smooth. I set aside the extra cut pieces and use it later on the cake. Well, now it's time to cut the cake in half. Find the middle of the cake wall and hold the saw knife perfectly flat. Stick your elbows to the side and gently move your hand back and forth. Do not change the shape of your hand during the whole time until the cake divides into equal halves by turning the cake pan. I leave aside the top part, which is the flat part of the bottom of the cake. And now, in order to have a softer cake, I bring some juice and I dip the surface of the cake and its walls with a brush. The taste of my fruit juice is pineapple, but you can use any flavor you have. Now it's time for cream. For this layer, you need at least 3 spoons of cream. Now I take the pieces of cake that I cut from the walls of my cake and put them on the cream and wet this layer with juice. It's the turn of the second row of cream. Here, because parts of the surface of the cake are uneven, we need more cream to fill the uneven layers with cream. I poured about 6 spoons of cream. But as I said before, if you like the cake more creamy, you can add as much cream as you like. But try to make a relatively smooth surface with cream. We reach the last layer of the cake. As you can see, because the bottom of the cake has a smoother and more cohesive surface, I put it on the cake. At this stage, we start to coat the cake with cream. In the priming stage, we cover the side of the cake with a small amount of cream. I used about 4 spoons of cream for the whole cake. Now it's the turn of the spatula. With the spatula, I try to smooth the cream on the surface and the side of the cake. When working with a spatula, remove excess cream with a spatula. As soon as a relatively smooth surface is obtained, we put the cake in the refrigerator for 1 hour and a half or in the freezer for 30 minutes. I take the cake out of the fridge and do the second stage of creaming. I put the amount of cream in the middle of the cake and start spreading the cream using the last third of the spatula. I keep turning the cake pan until the cream reaches the whole surface of the cake. To smooth the cake with a spatula, you constantly clean your spatula. Place the spatula perpendicular to the pan and rotate the cake pan to place the excess cream on the spatula. Put the cake back in the fridge for 1 hour and a half or in the freezer for 30 minutes. At this stage, add your favorite color to the rest of the cream and beat with an electric mixer. Using a spatula, transfer all the cream around the dish to the center of the dish and start whipping the cream. I take the lined cake out of the fridge. I want my cake wall to be cloud and wind. So I take some pink cream and put some cream on the cake walls at a distance. You can also decorate the surface of the cake with a cloud and wind model. To do this, pour some pink cream irregularly on the surface of the cake. And now with a spatula, smooth the pink cream on the surface of the cake and around the cake. I want the surface of my cake to be evenly pink, so I covered the whole surface of my cake with pink cream. And I smooth the cake all around with a spatula. I change my cake pan and put it in the fridge. Now we come to the part of decoration. I use natural dried flour and I use some colored truffles and pour a teaspoon of oil, which is a solvent of golden powder color. Then I pour some golden powder color into the oil. I mix with a brush number 2. I pick the dried flowers and turn the petals golden all around. I take the cake out of the fridge and put the flowers next to my cake. If the flowers don't stand on the cake, make a groove on the cake with a knife and put the flower inside. Now I put regular dots on the cake with my brush head. I decorate the middle of my cake with colored truffles. I draw golden lines on the cake wall with a brush. And I decorate the wall of the cake with some truffles. Look at the beautiful and delicious cake. If you like this video, please hit on like button. If you enjoy content of my channel, click the subscribe button to become a member of my channel and ring the little bell so you know whenever I post a new video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hoping to see you again.